Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mamoon Ali and I am a fourth year student of Bachelor's of Audiology and Speech-Language Therapy in Ziauddin University, and I will be sharing you experience of this degree with you guys. So this experience has been wonderful to say the least. We've been exposed to practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge, and with practical experience that includes not only speech-language therapy sessions but also audiology, audiometry tests, OAEs of newborn babies in Ziauddin wards, and also audiometry tests like pure tone audiometry tests, ABRs, and otoscopies and tympanometries at different placements including Indus Hospital and ACAL. This degree comprises of detailed knowledge and practical experience about audiology and speech-language therapy and enables you to enter the world with professionalism and confidence. Thank you.